Hey guys, welcome to Super Sonia Vision. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple mug cake or a cake for one person in less than 5 minutes. It's amazing and it's really delicious too. So what you're going to need is 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, really any flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons canola oil, 1 tablespoon water, and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. So yeah, we're going to add in those ingredients. Okay, so now that we've added the flour, we are going to add the sugar. Okay, so now that we've added the sugar, we're going to add the cocoa powder. So now that we've added the cocoa powder, we are going to add the baking soda. Now that we've added the baking soda, we're going to add the salt, and then we are going to mix it up. Okay, now that we've added a little too much salt, we are going to mix it up, and then we are going to add the wet ingredients. We're going to mix that all up, mix that up real good. It'll only take a minute. I think that's pretty good. Okay, so now that we've mixed that up, we're going to add in the milk. Now that we've added the milk, we're going to add the canola oil. Once we've added the canola oil, we are going to add the water. We added a little bit too much water, but it wasn't that much more. Then we are going to add the very last ingredient, which is the vanilla extract. We also added a little bit too much vanilla extract. It's not that much. It's not that bad though. Okay. So now that we've done that, we're going to get a spoon, and we are going to mix up every single ingredient there is until it's like a cake batter. Okay, now that we've mixed it up, you're going to put it in the microwave until it's done, or about 1 minute and 45 seconds. 1 minute and 45 seconds usually works, but it depends on the microwave. And for this, if you wanted to lick the spoon, it's fine because there's no eggs. So yeah, once we cook it, I'll be back. Bye! So we're back, and it's looking pretty good. It looks like a mug cake. You can just use your spoon really quick to dig in to see if it looks good. Even if it's a little bit raw, it doesn't matter because because there's no eggs, which is the good thing about this recipe. It's a little too hot to eat, so I'm going to put it in the freezer for like a couple minutes, and I'll come back to you guys once it's cool enough. Bye. Okay, so we cooled this down, or partially. It's still very hot on the bottom, but I can still scoop it out. So, I mean, once you're done, you can just, like, enjoy it. It's very good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this hack to making some cake if you ever have, like, a desire for it. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Wait, no. If you like this video, make sure to give it a double thumbs up and subscribe to see some more videos like this. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Bye!